Alright guys, welcome to my video. I took the cat off. Just want you guys to know that if you guys are gonna change the gasket, take the cat off, you're gonna need a Torx socket for this. Obviously you guys are gonna have to take the bolts out. If you guys can see what socket this is a star-shaped socket. You're gonna need a set of that. Take that off. Here's the thing about it. I'm looking at this and I was thinking that maybe it's like dirty. I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but the catacombs don't look dirty. Matter of fact, it looks pretty new. They look pretty new. I don't know when this was changed up. I don't know when this was changed up. It looks kind of, does it look old? You know, it looks kind of old, but since I got this off, I'm going to change it anyway. I don't know the exact condition of this. I mean, looking at it, let me see if I could actually get some light on here.